Over the weekend in my piece, Africa Calling, I said Safaricom is a need, not a want. I was suggesting that investors should buy the dip at the position if we really act lower on the results, because the second half will have been quite soft, I assume. Let me loop back now to Safaricom, which we're reporting as full year earnings Wednesday morning. I don't need to remind you of Safaricom's centrality to the fortunes of the Nairobi Securities Exchange. Safaricom has a market cap of about $11.2 billion, which is about 43% of the total value of the Securities Exchange. Therefore, this is the big beast of earnings releases at the exchange. After hitting a record high on April 5, Safaricom corrected 20% through Friday morning. Citibank was surely the catalyst with a skeptical earnings report. Safaricom, however, has provided every Kenyan with an entry ticket into the 21st century. I remember being at a function last year with Jack Ma, and when he was posed the question, what about our infrastructure? And boy, it's not that great right now with the rains, particularly on the roads. And he said, but what is the most important infrastructure of them all? It is the information highway, yours is fast. And this is the important point. Safaricom democratized. There's a price to it, of course, but they democratized access to the global economy and gave everyone a ticket and said, you pay for it and you can go. And a lot of people have. And that's why I say it's a need, not a want. And I think you add to the position if we react, there's a knee-jerk reaction lower tomorrow. I'll be at the results. I'll be having an interview with Satish at about 10:15. I really believe they've built the superhighway. Everyone else is still playing the tarmacking game, in my view. You know what I mean. Just take a look outside my office. Safaricom reported first half results where net income expanded 9.5%, basic EPS was up 9%, and customer numbers grew 10.8%. Mobile data customers up 13.5%, M-Pesa customers up 9.5%. And the fastest growing bits were obviously mobile data revenue, which expanded 31%. Everyone will be looking at that. It's still only at 17.55 billion. It's got a lot of headroom. M-Pesa revenue up 16.2%. And that's still strong double digits. It'll be interesting to see if the second half to election period slowed anything down there. But for me, I think this is more a conviction trade. It's just the fact that it's not. You can't look at it as purely a telco. You've got to look at it in the context of what I'm saying. They built the highway. They continue to invest in it. You can potter around on Airtel. You're just not in the game. So there you go. So I'm a buyer. I think that this is an opportunity to buy it on the correction.